Hi there, it's great to see you today. My name is Alex and we'll practice English together. Our goal for this lesson is to hear, repeat, and improve your English step by step. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of the journey. With patience and practice, your English will grow stronger. Now, let's begin slowly, step by step. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt lost when someone speaks English quickly? Your heart races as you try to understand, and you wish you could respond just as easily. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners like you face this challenge every day. But what if I told you there is a fun and effective way to improve your English speaking skills in just 30 days? Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 30-day shadowing challenge for Aeon and Atwo learners. This challenge is all about listening and speaking. By the end of this video, you will know how to do shadowing, why it's so important, and how this technique can change the way you speak English. You will feel more confident and prepared to communicate in real-life situations. But first, if you want to unlock your speaking potential and join our community of learners, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's dive into this exciting journey together. Step 1. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to a speaker and repeat what they say in real time. It's like having a conversation with someone who can teach you how to pronounce words correctly and use natural phrases. For example, if you listen to a podcast or a video, try to copy the speaker as closely as possible. This means you repeat their words, intonation, and rhythm. It's not just about saying the words, it's about mimicking the way they sound. Step 2. Choose your material now. Let's choose the right material for your shadowing practice. Look for short videos, podcasts, or conversations that interest you. This could be topics about travel, food, music, or any hobbies you love. The key is to start with something simple and engaging. For beginners, try finding a children's show or beginner English lessons, which often use clear and slow speech. You can also use YouTube, where many English teachers create content specifically for Aeon and Atwo learners. Step 3. Set a daily practice time. Consistency is crucial. Set a specific time each day for your shadowing practice. Even 10 minutes, 15 minutes can make a big difference. Maybe you do it first thing in the morning or right before bed. Find a time that works best for you and stick to it. Step 4. Listen first before you start repeating. Listen to the audio or video at least once without speaking. Try to focus on the pronunciation and emotional tone of the speaker. Understand the context and meaning behind what they are saying. This will give you a clearer idea of how to express yourself later when you start shadowing. Step 5. Start shadowing now. It's time to start shadowing. Play the audio and repeat what you hear. If you struggle to keep up, don't worry. Pause the audio if needed and practice small phrases until you feel comfortable. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will get. For example, if you hear, "Hello, how are you today?" You can pause, practice saying it a few times, and then try to say it along with the speaker. Focus on sounding natural and using the same rhythm they do. Step 6. Record yourself. A great way to track your progress is to record yourself while shadowing. This allows you to listen back and compare your speaking with the original audio. You can hear the differences and identify areas for improvement. It also helps build your confidence when you hear yourself improving over time. Step 7. Mix it up as you get more comfortable. Try mixing up your sources. Shadow different speakers with various accents or topics. This will prepare you for real-life conversations with different people. Variety will also make your practice sessions more enjoyable and less monotonous. Step 8. Engage with others. Find a friend or join a study group where you can practice shadowing together. Speaking with others can motivate you and make the challenge even more fun. Plus, sharing experiences and learning from one another can strengthen your language skills. Real-life examples. Here are some simple phrases you can start shadowing today. 1. What's your name? 2. I love pizza. 3. Can I help you? 4. Where are you from? 5. I'm learning English. These phrases are common in daily conversations, and practicing them will help you sound natural. Confidence tips. Remember, it's completely normal to feel nervous when speaking a new language. Here are some tips to build your confidence. Practice in front of a mirror. This helps you see your facial expressions and gestures, making your speaking feel more natural. Take deep breaths. Before you start speaking, take a deep breath to relax. Confidence comes from a calm mind. Celebrate small victories. Every time you finish a shadowing session or feel improvement, give yourself a pat on the back. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking fluently and confidently. Visualization can help reduce anxiety and improve performance. Step 9. Reflect on your progress at the end of each week. Take some time to reflect on your progress. Think about what you learned and how much you've improved. You could write in a journal or discuss your experience with a friend. Recognizing your achievements will keep you motivated and excited to continue. Step 10. Stay committed. Finally, make a commitment to yourself. The 30-day shadowing challenge is just the beginning of your English journey. Staying committed to your daily practice will yield great results over time. Even after the 30 days, continue to use shadowing as part of your language learning routine. Strong closing. So, are you ready to accept the 30-day shadowing challenge? Imagine how much more confident you will feel in just a month. You'll be able to hold conversations, make friends, and express yourself in English with ease. Remember, every small step counts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guidance on your English learning journey. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, you are capable of amazing things. Let's keep learning together. The journey to mastering a new language is exciting and full of opportunities. Embrace the challenge and trust the process. Surround yourself with positive influences and resources that inspire you to keep going. Remember, language learning is not a race. It's a path filled with discovery and growth. As you embark on this 30-day shadowing challenge, make sure to connect with other learners online or in your community. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes can bring a lot of encouragement to your journey. You're not just learning a language. You're building relationships and gaining a global perspective. Lastly, let's recap what you'll be doing during this challenge. You'll listen to native speakers, mimic their intonation, and practice speaking out loud daily. You will choose engaging material, stay consistent, and record your progress, reflecting on how far you've come every week. With each practice, you'll not only improve your English but also build your confidence. So, take a moment to think about what you want to achieve in the next 30 days. Do you want to order food in English, meet new friends, or simply express your ideas more clearly? Whatever it is, hold on to that goal as your motivation. Thank you for joining me today. I can't wait to hear about your progress with the 30-day shadowing challenge. Keep practicing and remember, each moment spent using English is a step toward fluency. You've got this. Stay curious, stay passionate, and let's make the most out of this journey together. See you next time as you embark on your 30-day shadowing challenge. Remember, every small step counts. You're taking the first steps toward speaking English confidently, and it's wonderful to see your dedication. Learning a language is a journey filled with progress, and with each practice session, you are growing stronger. Be patient with yourself. Every day is an opportunity to improve. The more you repeat, the more natural it will feel.